In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam Remote Play. If you've ever wished a friend could join your couch co-op game from miles away, this feature makes that happen. Remote Play. Together streams your screen and shares your controls over the internet, so your friend can play as if they're sitting right next to you. All you need is Steam running, a game that supports local multiplayer or shared split screen, and a decent internet connection on both ends. First, start by launching a local multiplayer game from your Steam library. Look for titles that mention local co-op, shared screen, or split screen in their store tags or library details. That's important because Remote Play Together extends local multiplayer online. It doesn't turn a strictly single-player game into online co-op. For the smoothest experience, it helps if your system isn't busy with big downloads in the background and if your controllers are nearby and recognized by the game. Your friend doesn't usually need to own the game to join you, but you, as the host, will be running it on your machine. Once the game is up and you're at a point where it makes sense to invite someone, open the Steam overlay. Press Shift and Tab on your keyboard. You should see the overlay slide in on top of your game with your friends list and quick menus. If the overlay doesn't appear, it's often because it's disabled for that specific game or another overlay is conflicting, so just keep that in mind as you proceed. When it does appear, you're exactly where you need to be to send the invite. Now, in the friends list inside the overlay, find the friend you want to play with. Right-click their profile and select Remote Play Together. Steam will send them an invite. When they accept, their input will be shared with your game, just like a second controller or an extra keyboard and mouse. You'll see indicators that they've connected, and they'll see your game streamed to them in a window. Steam handles most of the networking and audio automatically, and many games will let your guest use a controller or mapped inputs right away. From here, play as you normally would in local co-op. Expect a little latency depending on distance and network quality. A wired connection generally feels snappier than Wi-Fi, and keeping the number of guests modest can help performance. That's all there is to it. Launch a local multiplayer game, open the overlay with Shift plus Tab, and invite your friend via Remote Play Together. Enjoy your session.